In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on BlackBull. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside your BlackBull dashboard and you are signed in, first you're going to have to, of course, create a live account for which you're going to have to go through an application process or a demo account if you just want to trade with your demo account. I'm going to showcase how to actually trade with a demo account because the process is pretty much the same. So, you're first going to have to create a demo account, and to actually trade, you have to use one of these platforms, either the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, or CTrader or TradingView. So these ones are available, and if you go over here to trading platforms at the very left, you'll be able to see all of them that are actually possible to be used together with your BlackBull account. Now, once you're here, go ahead, as I showed you, go to Live or Demo over here, and once you have your account, you're basically going to have to select it, select your currency, nickname, account type, leverage, balance, etc. Now, if you're doing this with a demo account, you can create a few of them, but if you have a live account, you're basically going to have to select this at the beginning once you are creating your account over here inside the application. Now, here, after you have your account, so for example, this one, as you can see over here, this is my MT5 account, you just basically have to open up the app you chose, so either MT45, CTrader, or TradingView. You have to open that up, so I'm going to open up MetaTrader over here, and as you can see, it's going to open up. Then you're going to have to click on File, top left, open an account. Here, look for BlackBull. There we go, press Enter, and it should be over here. Click on that, click on Next, and then you will have to basically connect it with your login, with your password, and then with your server. So if it's demo, it should be demo. If it's live, it should be live over here. Now, login and password can be obtained over here, as you can see. This is your login, and then this is your password. If you forgot it, click on password reset, and you'll be able to set a new one and then confirm it as well to use inside your MT5 trader. And then that's pretty much it when it comes to this. Now, if you're trying to use, for example, MT4, the process is going to be pretty much the same. But if you are trying to use TradingView, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So you want to go to tradingview.com. Here, you go to products, click on supercharts after you are signed in. And after you are inside their supercharts, over here at the very bottom, you'll see it's going to say Trading Panel. Click on Trading Panel, make this a bit bigger, and then look for BlackBull. So it should be somewhere inside here. If you can't see it, click on All Brokers, and you should be able to find it quite quickly. There it is. Click on that, click on Connect, and it's going to take you over here to this site, where basically you will have to just connect your account. So you're going to have to press login, and you'll be able to easily connect your account with TradingView and start trading on here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.